Take a deep breath and you walk through the doors. It's the morning of your very first day. And say hi to your friends. Sitting and watch us say everybody's way. It's your freshman years and you've gotta be here for the next 4 years of this town. Hoping one of those senior boys will wink at you and say, you know I haven't seen you before. 'Cause when you're 15 and somebody tells you they love you, you've gotta believe them. 'Cause when you're 15, feeling like there's nothing to figure out. Welcome to 10, take it in. This is life before you know who you're gonna be. 15. You sit in class next to a redhead named Abigail, and soon enough your best friends. Laughing at the other girls who think they're so cool. We'll be out of here soon as we can. And then you're on your very first date, and he's got a car, and you feel like flying. And your mama's waiting up and thinking he's the one, and then dancing around the room when the night ends. When the night ends. 'Cause when you're 15 and somebody tells you they love you, you've gotta believe them. 'Cause when you're 15 and your first kiss makes your head spin around. But in your life you'll do things greater than dating the boy on a football team. But I didn't know it at 15. When all you wanted was to be wanted, wish you could go back and tell yourself what you know now. Back then I swore I was gonna marry him someday, but I realized how big the dreams of mine. And Abigail gave everything she had to a boy who changed his mind. And we both cry, 'cause when you're 15 and somebody tells you they love you, you're gonna believe them. And when you're 15, don't forget to look before you fall. I found time can heal most anything, and you just might find how you're supposed to be. I, I didn't know who I was supposed to be at 15. Your very first day, take a deep breath, girl. Take a deep breath as you walk through the door.